It's a big country. Traveling across it shouldn't be intimidating, because getting there is half the fun. But first, coffee. Digging into some Mountain House breakfast hash this morning. What's the verdict?
Very tasty.
Spicy. Green chilies in it. Bearstadt Lake Trail. It's just a little bit of elevation. On the way back, it'll be a little damp. This is on the trail back from Bearstadt Lake. Got the rain gear on and off 3 times, I think. So we decided to take the connector to Bear Lake. Hopefully we'll miss more rain. precipitation has turned some form of solid rather than liquid. What's that?
That'd be snow.
Where's it coming from? Up there? Yep. Oh,
Right.
not more uphill.
That is a destiny.
No.
Right up top. Mountain.
Downhill. We're headed to Bear Lake. What? I came all this way with that fishing pole, and it's closed to fishing.
I'm sorry, honey.
Just an elk in the road. That's all. Quite the harem. This is our first season with the Camp Chef Everest cook stove. So far so good. What we like about it is the igniter for both burners. And then you can get these adjusted down very low to simmer. A lot of burners can't. And it seems to have plenty of power. You can boil water quick. And how I hook it up, it comes with the regulator. And I've got this propane line and a Y connector for the tank so that I can run both at once. And this one goes to the campfire, which we love. Turn it on, turn it off. And it comes with, I believe, a 10-foot hose already installed. This is how you deal with food in bear country. Bear-proof lockers. I think almost at every campsite, so we've had this to ourselves. Here's how we keep things lit at night. This Duracell lantern, I think they're discontinued. Had a hard time finding one, but found one brand new on eBay. 3 D cells, and what I like about it is positive on-off switch with a dimmer. Found out about this one from Mark on Biker Bits. Thanks, Mark. This one I've shown in a previous video. Solar. It's like the Luci Light, but not the inflatable canister that sticks out. It's just flat. You can charge it on your dash all day, but it has magnets, so you can stick it to anything. And there's low, high, and I always have flash. Not sure why, but safety light, I guess. I don't know. This came from Home Depot. Also a magnet, and it's really bright, and I think this runs on 3 AA's, but it's awesome because it sticks anywhere. You've got a metal surface and is adjustable angle wise wherever you need it. This is our full flat step stool. It was pricey, but the beauty part, it doesn't take up any space. The backup potty plan, Home Depot all-purpose bucket, and seat, and these of course. This is our backup shower or washing device. Simple pump sprayer, 2 gallons. The view from here. 1982, this earthen dam between the hills failed, and all this exploded out. Coffee at 12,000 feet. Lake Irene picnic area. We just had lunch. Checking out the lake. So long, Rocky Mountain. Granby, Colorado. Silver Creek Resort. We're leaving. Glenwood Canyon.